We're back at the free pile. Oh, tube TVs. Yeah, we could probably take them. Well, first we're gonna start off with the fridge. Hey, let's look in it first.
Yep.
Got a coffee.
That's what you get.
I don't know. I'm just putting my hands on there. Oh, what the heck? That'll be good. I'll get the heavy part. Oh, cord. I'll take a small one. Ain't no telling what was out here before all this stuff.
That's a good
Shelf. There you go.
Oh, there's the start of my business.
On the occasions when my kids do watch my channel, when I come to a pile and there's toys, they get so mad that I don't grab them something. There's Batman. Yeah. I was trying to see if there's any Ninja Turtles or wrestlers or SpongeBob. That's metal.
A bank?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Tonka milk. Cash register. Doo doo doo. There was one. Huh. Some of them's gone.
You want this one?
It's up to you.
I know we're so close to.
Yeah, we are pretty close to storage unit. All right. Yeah. Guess we can look in the dumpster. Christmas lights right on top. Wire out the
Brass doorknob. Light fixture. A shovel.
I'm still working on my Christmas lights.
There you go.
Oh, oil filter.
We found it.
I ain't gonna tell them what's in the bottom of this thing. Oh man, why has there gotta be shredded paper?
I know. That's all it.
Oh my goodness. Gonna get accused of all this mess.
No, we ain't. We're leaving.
That's a good tire. Kinda. There's a Swiffer in there. There's no telling what's in this thing.
I don't want it.
Sawzall blade.
Let's get out.
Pick up some of this trash for them. That's good. There's no telling what's in that. I just... truck's full. Got a suitcase or something down here. Wicker bass. You need a wicker basket?
Nah.
Cans in there. Empty suitcase. This is, we'll just start calling this the bucket dumpster. Plenty of buckets. A Hoover. How do I take this? There's a chair over here. Get one of Matt's crafted picking sticks. Maybe it'll work. Yeah, it works good. An unfold 'em up chair. There's some fax machine looking things that are the good shreddable ones. So we need to, and this is full of something, I don't know what that is. We need to get a stick, see if we can get them. There's more over here too. There's a screen, a monitor. I'll see if I can fish them out of there. Yeah, that's full of either laptops. That box right there, it says Space World.
Hang on.
Laptops or monitors, one, I can't tell. Well, solved that problem. Matt just jumped in. Monitors, they take them though. They're coming for you. He's That's heavy for a little bitty thing. And there's more. Box of goodies. See if I can. Oh gosh. Well, I didn't go as planned. Got some of it. What is in there? Anything? Here's a motor. The rest of that is.
Huh?
Yeah, I dropped.
There's another one in that box.
Yeah, I dropped this one. But your go-go gadget will get it. God dang.
That thing get hold of the potatoes. Tire tile.
Is that one? Ah! A little motor on it. There's a cord left out there. Get something to hold on to it. This is. Get all that mat. Got a rat nest in it. There we go. There's a plug-in left. A cord. We can't leave a cord, can we? We might have to. I ain't gonna jump in for that unless I can get it right there. Yeah. This thing works darn good. Okie dokie. Got the most of it. Big old motor on that thing. And a chunk of aluminum. Looks to be. A good metal chair. A good office chair.
Big old chunk of brass.
Is there? Yeah. Let's watch it. Oh yeah, and that wand. I didn't bring my grabber. It's metal. The tip of it is. Yeah. It's got a motor on top. We ain't got no screw. Didn't bring my screwdriver with us.
There's you some
Dish soap.
Look at that, girl, and you just, Lord. Ajax had him get it off, but we're gonna try.
Ajax can't even get it up.
Is that what they say?
Is he? That looks a little thick or thin, don't it?
We don't care. It all washes.
I bet it's diluted down. Could be a mysterious chemical. We'll have Matt taste test it.
Okay, I will.
What we got? What we got? What we got? Well, those are pretty. Shoot, they're even clean. Well,
dirty.
I said it's clean, but it's dirty. Dirty. Nasty.
Or dirty.
Nothing wrong with them.
They will be time we get home with them.
Yeah, we'll do something with them. Anything else in there?
Social Security card.
Sure as crap is.
Let's get that out and rip it up.
Turn it in.
It'd be our luck we get caught with it.
Yeah. Hopefully that didn't show up on camera. I'll edit it out. Yay! Short still. Eh. That is a lot. Refrigerator material. A belt. Matt, you need a belt? Huh. There's a fork. Lots of books. Lots and lots of books.
Come on, for that make us think of the library.
The library threw them away. These came from the library. They're getting recycled. That's actually
Turn into new
open top.
ceiling grid.
Yeah, ceiling grid. And
Now we're good.
yeah,
We're picky pickers.
something like that. I ain't getting a
Picky eaters.
picky pickers, but not picky eaters. Oh no, he's gonna grab some of it. I bet you grabbed one piece. I did. Estimated value 7 cents. Well, guys, well, it is getting dark. I don't know how much more you can see, so we'll let y'all know if there's anything else. I'm gonna dig around in here, flip a few boxes. I don't know what that is right there. All right, just a pickle jar. Yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching. If not, I don't know. But thanks for hanging out with us. All that good stuff, right, Matt?
Yeah, yeah, all that good stuff.
I don't know what else we'll find. What? There's a big tube.
Lord.
My guinea pigs would love the crap out of that. But don't pick it up. I don't need it. Oh. This is full of stuff. Plastic. What is that thing? I can't open it. How's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do what? I kind of do, but I don't. Aha! We didn't strike out. Here's a graduation deal. I don't want that stuff. Sorry.
I feel pillows in this one. Girl, I was right.
Roo la la. There you go, Matt. That's the closest thing we're probably gonna find to what you're looking for tonight.
Roo la la. Oh la la.
It was warming gel. Oh, Matt. It's shred. It's a toothbrush, I think. I hope. It's shred. Anything else? There's a fan top in there. What year is it? That's just a task. There's the brass aluminum 2015. Huh. I dropped it. It might be brass. Oh. That's aluminum for sure. Let me hold it up. Is that wire? More wire. No.
Keys.
Alright, sounds good to me. It's a pretty good chunk of aluminum though. It's like a shark fin. Let's send that to Shark Scrapper. He can put it on top of his truck. On the shark mobile. Y'all know Shark Scrapper? They could like put it up like that. What are these, trash bags?
I don't know, maybe. But we are in a neighborhood.
I need to figure out what these are, because I will use these. Oh yeah, those are nice board sort bags. Those are full of Ziploc bags.
That's gold.
Yeah.
I mean, I know that much. Precious Moments.
Precious Moments has been broken.
I don't know if it has or not. England, Starbucks, Cosmo, that's broke.
Broke. Just like.
See some more of them.
You want that? Yeah, go back there. I better stay.
Sound recording tape. Kodak.
Oh, that's cool, but I don't want it.
Ow! Bring donuts in there.
You'll get us. There's something down the bottom.
That says Magnum. I'm in the wrong department.
There's a headset. Let me put this stuff up. Y'all can't see nothing, can y'all? Except for my picture of my kids. That Ziploc bag. Shred.
I think all the rest is
Bull crap. Alright.
Obama.
Oh! Anybody want an Obama hat? I don't either.
Girl.
Oh my goodness, what we got there?
It's cold still.
We got a Pitmaster collection.
It's still cold.
And a pea jug.
No, it's tea.
Oh.
Ice cream, Blue Bell.
Oh my goodness.
You take that stuff home?
No, do you want it?
No.
Oh, I thought you wanted it. Wait,
No.
It's probably nothing wrong with it, but
Probably not.
I'm not much of a sauce man myself.
I'd say that's it. Let you see.
There's some cases down there, but they're all empty.
Went in the truck.
All right, let's get out of here and get it, kiddos. Thanks for watching.